Keep your blind shut.
Whatever the
Crowd will disappear.
on that day.
We'll keep it first on board on that day. So
One.
that then we'll start
Please.
with-
May I
One.
suggest
Keep
your
them,
lordships
keep them,
meet
keep
2
them.
days?
If Lordship kindly, keep.
It's a fresh notice to be issued.
There are.
Well, take on.
Yes.
In this way now, if we start issuing notices on all matters, you're all here.
Yes.
Wherever there are notices, replies have been filed, we'll hear. Others, council may supplement and we'll.
Lordship may just tag this.
As long as the matters are listed,
All
Lordship,
other
we don't have an
things
issue.
simply tag. You're all here. Make sure that copies are served on the respondents, that's all.
Lordships were listed on 21st and 22nd because after the Independence Day vacation, your lordships will have Wednesday and Thursday as a block, your lordships, because this matter will take that much time.
Okay, I'll just look at what the.
Very
the
well.
matters are.
Millets with
Great.
First on board.
2 days it will be.
Mr. Gupta is stating us about the Civil Service Commission. He has some difficulty in the first week of September.
All right.
millets
Can we
with your
give some
lordship.
fixed date, Manoj, so that we can be ready?
By lunch or maybe by 4 o'clock.
Anyway, your lordship's convenience.
The reason I'm not announcing a date right away is I want to see what are the other matters listed on those dates so that then we know that this is a clear date.
Lordship.
Millets with you.
Could you just tell me?
That we can internally do that.
They are new matters.
Talk to the nodal council. They'll make sure that the two young juniors will make sure that all.
Asta, you can speak to Asta.
And one more thing, authorities, Asta, make sure that authorities are all in one compilation. Otherwise, what we find is authorities of one lawyer in their compilation, another lawyer's
Lordship, we
compilation.
have created 8.
There's a common compilation has been filed.
Compilation.
We have filed a common compilation.
So otherwise, in Tola, this is a problem which we are having. You have to constantly switch between different lawyers' compilation.
Lordships, they've done a good job. They've put the statutes in one volume, they've put orders in another. It's
Millets with
very
your,
well done.
There is a common compilation. We have filed 8 volumes of common compilation, so there's no switch.
Your Lordships, may I mention one more matter? This is that vulnerable witness matter. It was to come up yesterday, your Lordships, and the commission's mandate was till 31st of July. It may not need any listing, your Lordships.
All right.
with your
It may
lordship,
not
with your,
need any
Grateful.
listing.
Yeah, it is on the list. It will not be deleted. We have to formally extend the remit of the commission.
Yes, your Lordships.
With your
Because
Lordships-
6 more months are
with your,
needed.
with
to
your lordships,
complete
kindly,
us.
millets,
Great.
Uttar Pradesh service track. Mails were sent twice and last week it was mentioned they're superannuating millets.
Age of retirement has been reduced. How can we grant interim order? Like, we'll
No millets.
consider the matter.
It could be taken up millets, otherwise they are superannuating this.
Retired. I mean, what do you do? These are part of service.
Millets, it's been arbitrarily reduced and they have to demit the office millets.
We will hear the matter.
It's virtually come to 1.5 years from 5 years.
May I mention? We hear the matter.
Any other, we have sent the mail also, millets, any date as my lordships could have it.
But would your, would,
All right, West Bengal now completely over.
Yes.
The lawyers from West Bengal, the West Bengal matters now from MPs.
But in West Bengal matter, my lord,
Just 2 or 3 days.
All right. Noted, Kalvi. The time for filing the written submission on the West Bengal group of matters is extended until next Monday.
Lordship has not issued notice consciously in matters which are related to the existed candidate. So, Lordship, we are.
Absolutely, I remember that.
Yes.
We therefore, wait-listed candidates, we have only tagged those matters that.
Directly affected.
Yes.
Millets, if I'm forgiven, not to be deleted, but UP matter, not to be deleted.
lords, there is a fresh matter today. Would your lordships be taking up or, my lord,
What's the matter?
item 3, my lord, it's a taxation matter.
I appear in 3 minutes.
Can we keep that on Friday? So that
Friday, Monday, my lord?
3 will not take long, my lord.
Monday, my lord?
We want to start Tola actually because we are in the midst of that.
It might take some time, not on my side.
Letter notice would have to be issued because there are 2 assessment years in which the coordinate bench of the High Court has already granted stay. So we
My lord,
are.
we'll assist your lordships either Friday or preferably Monday.
Friday or Monday, we'll take it.
Well, it's either days. Either days.
Take it up on Monday. So
Very
just asking for Monday.
Will they accept notice because this has to be, well, there
No, no, my lord, I'm here, my lord. Why notice? I'm on caveat.
He's here.
there's 2 identical
But
matters.
you will just take it up on Monday.
Very well.
Right.
I am talking, my lord, once again,
My lord,
the West
item
Bengal
E
matter,
pertains to the product by process, which is a judgment on that issue, which was the first of its kind in the country. all that you are requesting on any Tuesday, if your lordships could consider taking up that it's an important issue, my lords,
We will
item
do
8,
that.
ordered by process.
Today may be difficult.
No, my lords, today I know your lordships are the whole day going to be occupied with this.
May I, my lords,
You know,
may I have my lords kind lead my lord, again, my lord, to trouble the ship with question. কিছুই কেউ শুনতে চাইছে না।
My lords, in
give dates right away in the afternoon.
4 and 7.
my lords, in 7.1 is the Sharad Pawar one, 7 is the Shiv Sena one.
Yes,
Now,
yes.
my lords, no, all I'm saying is on 29th of July, your lordships in the NCB matter said 4 weeks returnable notice. So just please keep that in mind on 29th of July, your lordships.
Not really dependent on the
Please,
other.
my lords.
The Shiv Sena, the papers are all complete.
Right.
NCP, the papers are
Only reason I'm saying is because they're tagged along, there's a returnable notice of 4 weeks in that. Submissions have not been filed, the lordship normally appoints.
That will be done before the date, Balo. The idea is it will be done before the next date. You're not hearing it today.
Not yet being done, my lord.
all right. Should we
Please direct
do
that. Please
right
direct
now?
that. Yes, please direct that.
No.
Because your lordship is giving a date. Prior to the date, we'll complete all this.
So how much time, say about,
Plus,
in the NCP matter, how much time will you take?
2 weeks,
to get the
plus for-
compile?
My lords, we'll need 3 weeks to file our reply in that, my lords.
Very well, 3 weeks. Call it in September, Balo, early
All
September.
right, we keep it.
Give an actual
we said
date.
3 weeks, the NCP matter.
Yes.
Which is 7.1.
That's right. 7 and 7.1.
Right.
Shortest date for
Neeraj
both
Krishnan
required.
Paul,
Balo,
Then on the request of Mr. Neeraj Krishnan Paul, Learned Senior Counsel, time to file a counter is granted till, give them exactly 3 weeks to file a counter. In the meantime, who are the two nodal counsel? Tell us that.
Lordship, just say no, they're already there.
Chirag.
Council will be Mr. Chirag Shah in the Shiv Sena matter for us.
And Abhikal Pratap Singh in the.
Well, let's just give it an.
I don't
Give it-
name,
We'll give it to the court master.
Nodal counsel, and then the usual order for preparing a common compilation of documents. This should be done within a period of 2 weeks.
2 weeks, I'm obliged.
Well, may I trouble lordship once
Can
again?
also be forwarded to the nodal counsel within the said period.
Right.
West Bengal matter will is one difficulty, may I protect your lordship?
Second.
11 and 12, both lead to physically challenged people. One is GST on prosthetics, that's item 11. And item 12 is on selection of blind and physically challenged people in the IPS. We want to say at least in non-combat posts, they can be accommodated. They are saying they can't be, whereas in CR, it's a shorter way, missed 3 rounds of selection, they have missed because of the pendency. The government is saying IPS, we will not select anybody who is physically challenged. But we have said there are a number of non-combat posts
That will, this will have to
that
be
can be
heard.
kept next Tuesday as.
I'll give you a date. on that.
May I mention an matter, my lord, in which the order is uploaded yesterday, my lord, in which there is a small typographical error. That
Our order, whose
Yes,
order?
my lord, yes, my lord, the same bench order, my lord.
Give us the order.
Date is not properly mentioned, my lord. That date may be changed. That's all, my lord.
Well,
The date of the, para 3, my lord.
Give notice.
Yes, my lord, we have given the letter also. We have informed the other side. Para 3, my lord, may see kindly. We request the NCLT to complete the exercise by 31st August 2024. The NCLT shall dispose of the application on its own merits uninfluenced by any observation made in the order dated, it's written 25th August 2023, whereas it should be, my lord, 5th October 2023, that is the impugned order, which your lordship had mentioned. So there is no order called 25th August 2023.
This date was mentioned, that's why we put it as.
No, my lord, the impugned order is
7 is.
5th October, my lord. That,
Who's for the other side?
together.
Who's for the other side?
we have informed the other side, my lord. They are also.
Which matter?
Well, Mr. Sai Kumar,
Impugned order, my lord. That's why your lordship said that.
only thing is that we wish the other side was here because if it, then.
We have informed the other side, my lord.
There's little change in the order can make a very critical difference. Just get Mr. Sai Kumar at lunch. Or get him by 1 o'clock.
Okay, bye.
Right.
Okay, my lord.
Let it be fast in their presence, so that there is no.
Sure, my lord.
My lords,
Deeply obliged.
could I please, my lords, mention a matter?
That date I don't recall.
There is a slight issue. Item 4, your lordship has dealt with, 2 and 4 your lordship dealt with. In 7, there are 2 matters. We are not seeking any time. Your lordship can't hear it today. Your lordship had said yesterday, 7 your lordship will take up very quickly. 7.1, these 2 weeks of.
No, but 7, the compilations are yet not filed, my lord.
Said indicated on 7th.
When, listen, 7, when are the compilations going to be filed?
Milord, everything is ready in 7.
No,
We
but-
file it today, Milord. Your lordship said indicated that it will be taken up tomorrow.
Why don't you
Lord, it's a common compilation. How can my learned friend without consulting?
One second. when is the common compilation going to be filed? Because we don't want to go on with the matter unless you file.
That's right, my lord. That's
Even on mentioning, people argue so much.
No,
But
the compilation is not filed.
who are the nodal council?
not yet the
That
point.
is not
Your
happened.
lordship, second, who are the nodal council?
No, that has not happened.
Don't answer my question. Who are the nodal council?
That's not yet indicated.
In 7, we have not indicated.
No, no.
But
But
we-
it was directly to be
I
listed.
just said that, you give the two.
That
names
is
to the-
today indicated for the first time.
Yeah. So therefore, the compilations have to be prepared in 7.
My lord, we are ready to go on with it. My lord, we can do it
But
within
you are
2
ready
days.
to go on with it right now, but we have to have one common compilation.
Lord,
You don't have to write the
We can
judgment
do
at
it
the
within
end.
1 day, my lord. We can do it
You
by
don't know what happens when you have 20 lawyers arguing matters and you have to deliver a judgment at the end of arguments. You don't know where to look for material. Therefore, we want one common compilation. We just said 2 minutes ago that let there be 2 nodal council.
Correct.
They mentioned the names of 2 council. We said give a slip to the court master so that we can then have them prepare a common compilation. We have given 2 weeks time to prepare that common
2 weeks would be
compilation.
too long, my lord, because the elections are due within a month. All I'm requesting is we can do that exercise within 2 days. There's no difficulty. We'll do that
We have
exercise.
no problem. You tell us when will the.
Kindly have it next week, my lord.
Next week.
Kindly have it
My
next
lord,
week.
Alright, common compilations will be prepared by the council, should we say within a period of 1 week from
Yes,
today?
yes, yes.
We can do it within 3 days, my lord, by end of this week.
You can't dictate to the court what's the time.
I'm only requesting, my lord, we can do it by Friday. Kindly have it on
my
next
lord,
week.
we
Who
will
are
do it
the,
for next week.
who are the council?
Kindly make
Right.
Mr. Sharma from our side.
Right.
He's been formally notified yet.
Right.
And Mr.
Chirag Shah.
We have 40 respondents, my lord. On our side.
It should not be-
But it should be for 2 weeks, at least the convenience
One nodal
compilation.
council, you prepare your common compilation within a period of 1 week.
But 1
Let
week
it
may
be
be a little
2 weeks,
difficult, but
my
2 weeks.
Let it be 2 weeks.
This kind of No, election they- there, my lord. So they have to make a common compiled paper.
All right, instead of making the common compilation by Tuesday next, we'll give you time until Thursday next. So you get 10 days. We give you 2 more days. You
All right.
prepare the common compilation by Thursday. That should be good enough.
With your permission.
My lord,
And
kindly
my
have
lord,
it
7.1,
immediately
the
thereafter.
timeline will be 3 weeks of reply in 7 point.
First matter you've already.
7.1.
I know.
My lord, kindly have it immediately thereafter, my lord, after
Why
Thursday.
don't you come and sit here
I'm
and
so-
tell the court master what dates you want? Ultimately, you see this is too much. You've seen the kind of pressure of work on the court's time. If you'd like to come and sit here, please come and sit here and sit for a day. I assure you will run for your life.
My lord, we see that every day, my lord. I'm sorry, but my lord, I'm only requesting if
My
it's
lord,
convenient.
Give us the convenient date possible.
That's right,
uh,
we'll give the date after 2 weeks.
Oh, Item 4, both of us of the lordships, notice has not been issued. Can it come on 12th? It's an admission matter.
Friday.
Fourth, item 4 should have
Well,
come
as-
on.
This is actually for final disposal. Your lordship said, hold your hands for both sides.
Yeah, we're holding hands.
That matters. So therefore, it's really
Why
ready
then-
for
why
the
should there be
argument.
notice in item
The other
4? You're all
readings
here.
and counters and rejoinders.
Now everything is ready.
Yes.
So it has to be heard, that's all.
No counter, nothing. Just, your lordship said we'll take it up straight away. So this pledging of securities.
Right, that's the Edelweiss matter.
Yes.
Yes,
So it'll be on Tuesday only.
On Monday.
all right. Yeah, we'll keep.
No, I thought if it was Monday, we could.
Today we'll pick it up.
All right.
We have, unless we finish
Your
the
point,
group
your
of 700 matters, we can't make any
Can't be done.
progress in anything else in our board. And now that.
My
I-
lord,
I-
my
I-
lord,
I-
permission
for some time to
mention
mention
matter,
that-
I'm seeking relief against demolition of a subject structure. It's the sole source of storage of
When
water
was
and
the
supply.
order passed?
30th of July. We filed, there's a diary number, it's a fresh matter, my lord.
Just send an email, I'll have it listed immediately.
Obliged.
Lordship,
sir, with your permission,
Lordship,
extreme urgency in my matter.
The jet matter, item 10. But
Yes,
I think your lordships are
we have
busy.
said that we are listing.
No, I know, it's today. It's on the list today. I'm just saying because your lordships are busy. Your lordships are
It
busy.
will most probably be, it'll be, I've given dates for those matters which we can't take up today. It will
Right.
probably take 30.
Very good. Very good.
Your lordships, with your permission, your lordships, there's extreme urgency here.
Graduate admission to AIMS. Lordship can have it day after tomorrow because Friday is the last day of counseling. So it can be had day after tomorrow. Thursday, my lord. Thursday.
My lord, may I just mention item number 2, my lord, 2 days listed. It's a West Bengal matter, my lord. I was in the waiting list.
Bengal is over, sorry.
No, my lord, that is what I'm saying.
Sorry, I'm not hearing you. I'm in
Milord,
charge of my phone. I'll not hear you now. West Bengal is over.
Sir, I'm seeking a clarification, my lord.
I'll have to evict you from the
My
court.
lord. Deeply honest.
I have only one
Lordship.
request to the West Bengal matter. Compilation is it
No,
complete?
sorry, West Bengal is over now.
Only,
Anybody who tries to argue West Bengal will be evicted.
no, I'm not arguing, not knowingly.
No, please.
The
West Bengal-
compilation is that complete.
Just
Sorry,
Lord-
West Bengal, no further mentioning. We have done what we had to. Everybody was there when we passed the order.
So I have
No
been shouting
further.
without Lordship
Sorry,
asked
nothing.
me to wait. I have been waiting.
Nothing. Nothing in West Bengal. You argue it when it reaches that.
Okay,
direction.
wait.
Lordship,
Because
this
I'm
is
mentioning item
I'm
16.
very sorry, my lord. I have filed an SLP impugning the
12 PM, my lords.
Bombay
Yeah.
High Court decision with respect to wearing the niqabs, hijab in colleges. I have filed this. It's just that,
I know it's coming up. It's being listed. I've already given a date for that matter.
well, this is the Bombay High Court one.
That's right.
we have
So
our
you told me the matter. I remember because
Oh,
you
very
tell me in the evening that these are the facts.
Yes, yes, my lords.
I've already directed it to be listed.
Very
I've given
well.
a
My lords,
petition, I've given a date.
Day after, actually, my lords, our unit test, which is our internal exams, are starting. So,
Yes.
may
My lord, I'm,
That is that Himachal.
yes, my lord.
All right, before we rise for the day, we'll take it up. We'll give you a little, let the West Bengal Tola matter get over and then we'll take this.
Lord,
up.
it's
50
just-
we'll retain.
Because I'm mentioning in
Just
item
2
16,
minutes,
my
I'll
lords.
explain it.
Nothing takes 2 minutes, sir. We also know that. Nothing takes 2 minutes, but we have a matter in hand. We'll take that and then we'll take up this matter.
Because I'm mentioning in item 16, my lords, Telangana judiciary candidates have to submit documents till 12 PM, my lords. They have to post it by 12 PM, my lords. And they can physically submit till 5 PM, my lords. Today only, my lords. If my lords may hear the matter, my lords, there's an urgency in this matter. They can't post it after 12 PM, my lords. Candidates live far away. It-
Other orders.
You are at serial number 16.
16.
Yes, my lords.
We'll issue a notice returnable on. In the meantime, the petitioners are permitted to participate in the recruitment process initiated by the High Court by its notification dated
4/10, my lords. 10/4, my lords. 10 April 2024, my lords.
10 April 2024, subject to the subject to such further orders as may be passed in these proceedings. Full stop. There's going to be a preliminary examination, right?
No, my lords. This is for appearing in mains examination, my lords. They have qualified the preliminary examination.
Right. The result of the petitioner shall, however, not be declared pending further orders of this court.
Grateful, my lords. Deeply obliged, my lords.
You have already appeared for the preliminary.
Yes, my lords, we appeared for the preliminary examination, my lords. As my lords have earlier passed the orders that the candidates can appear in the preliminary examination.
Cleared the prelims.
Yes, my lords, we have cleared the prelims. All the petitioners have cleared the preliminary examination, my lords.
So now you have to appear for the mains.
Yes, my lords, means.
But we will say that your final result will not be declared, of course.
Fine. Yes, my lords, will be subject to the outcome, my lords.
That's right. Yes. Item 1.